Hi and welcome. Today I'm going to tell you about different things to do in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee that isn't Dollywood. But first, before we get into that, I'm Christy Evers and welcome to Happily Forever's After, where I talk about all things travel related. So if you like destination information, travel tips, hacks, deals, and reviews, then this channel is for you. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so that you know when I post my next travel video. And if you find this information helpful and you appreciate it, also hit the like button and leave a comment to let me know, and then I'll be sure to make more videos just like this one in the future. Let's not waste any more time. Let's dive right into our list of 10 things to do in Pigeon Forge that isn't Dollywood. Number 9 in our countdown of 10 different types of things to do in Pigeon Forge is the fun and games category. Pigeon Forge is a mecca center for fun and games catering to all ages and likes. So whether you want to splash around in a water park, bounce like a boss in a trampoline park, test your driving skills with go-karts, have a ball testing your putting skills with a game of mini golf, roll around like a hamster in a Zorbing ball, or lock yourself in a room with your closest friends and family and try to escape. There are oodles of choices. Let me share with you a few of my favorites that my family has enjoyed. My kids had a great time bouncing around at Sevier, Trampoline, and Ninja Warrior Park. Your kids will flip out and fall head over heels for this fun park. Or maybe they'll just want to hang around. So go ahead, knock yourself out. Or knock each other out. Dive right in and enjoy some time at Sevier, Trampoline, and Ninja Warrior Park. There are several go-kart tracks to choose from in Pigeon Forge. My family enjoyed time at NASCAR Speed Park. Their website boasts that they're voted #1 for go-karting in the region for 3 years in a row and are the best deal in the Smokies. They offer tracks for all skill levels, and if you want to do something else, you're in luck. They also have rides, mini golf, an arcade including a virtual reality gaming experience, and they have special rides for the little ones too. With all there is to do, plus their unlimited ride all-day wristband that includes unlimited play, up to 8 go-kart tracks, 2 mini golf courses, bumper boats, and rides that allow guests to come and go from the park throughout the whole day. You can literally spend all day for a very reasonable price. So there you have it, number 9 in my countdown series of 10 different things to do in Pigeon Forge that isn't Dollywood. Let me know what you think. Do any of these activities look like something you'd like to try? Are there fun and games in Pigeon Forge that you suggest I try next time I'm there? What are your favorites? Also, be sure to check out number 10, the first in our series, which was Outdoor Adventures. Also be sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you know when I post the other videos in this series as well as my other travel videos too. Thank you so much for watching today. I appreciate you and I'll see you next time. Happy travels. Bye-bye.